Here we have f, which is a function of x, and we want to find the value of k, given that f is continuous for all values of x. To ensure that f of x is continuous at x equals 3, the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit of f of x at x equals 3 should be equal to f of 3. Okay. So we know when x is smaller than 3, then f of x equals x to the power of 2 minus 4 times x plus 3. And the left-hand limit of f of x at x goes to 3 from the left-hand side is written in this way. All right. This means is x goes to 3, but it's a little bit smaller than 3. And this equals to limit of, what is f of x? F of x is this. X to the power of 2 minus 3 times x, 4 times x plus 3, all right? Where x goes to 3 from the left. And to find this limit, we can replace x by 3 because this is telling us that x is very, very, very close to 3, so we can somehow approximate the value of the function at this point by simply replacing x by 3. So this limit equals 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 3 plus 3, and this equals 0. So the left-hand limit of f of x when x goes to 3 from the left equals 0. And it's time to calculate the right-hand limit. So we know when x is equal or greater than 3, then f of x equals 2 times x plus k. So the right-hand limit of f of x is written in this way. X goes to 3 from the right, and this equals limit of f of x, and we know that f of x equals to this, 2 times x plus k, when x goes to 3. All right, again, x is going to 3 from its right. That means it's a little bit larger than 3, but very, very, very close to 3. So to calculate this limit, we can somehow approximate it, or we can somehow say that this limit can be simply calculated by replacing x by 3 because x is very, very, very close to 3. So if I do that, then this limit equals 2 times 3 plus k. That equals 6 plus k. Okay. So this left-hand limit and right-hand limit, this and this should be equal to the f of 3, and we know f of 3 is 6 plus k. All right, so this 6 plus k and this 0 should be equal. 6 plus k should be equal to 0, and from this we can say, okay, k should be equal to minus 6, and this is the final answer, and that's here.